The Toyota Fortuner is poised for a transformative update that could redefine its future. Known for its rugged reliability, this SUV is now embracing fuel-saving technology that elevates efficiency like never before. But the burning question remains, will this innovation make it to Australia? Recently, Toyota South Africa unveiled the Fortuner equipped with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup integrates a 48-volt battery and an electric motor generator with the proven 2.8-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The result? A 5% boost in fuel efficiency, a significant leap for a vehicle of its size. However, while South Africa welcomes this advancement, its introduction in Australia remains uncertain. Interestingly, Australia has already seen this hybrid technology in Toyota's Hilux Ute and will soon find it in the highly anticipated 250 series Land Cruiser Prado. Yet, when it comes to the Fortuner, Toyota Australia has not confirmed plans to bring the hybrid version to market. One primary reason is logistics. Australia sources its Fortuner and Hilux models from Thailand, where the hybrid system has not yet been integrated into Fortuner production. This leaves Australian buyers in limbo, unsure when or if they'll see the eco-friendly upgrade. Since debuting in Australia in 2015, the Fortuner has undergone updates, including a facelift in 2020. Notably, the Australian Fortuner differs in design from its South African counterpart, particularly in the front and rear styling. Despite these aesthetic variations, the new Fortuner 48 volts in South Africa offers similar performance to the Hilux V-Active in Australia. Both feature the same turbo diesel engine, delivering 150 kilowatts of power and 500 Newton-meters of torque. However, a key distinction is transmission. The Fortuner and Hilux both utilize a 6-speed automatic, while the upcoming Land Cruiser Prado will boast an 8-speed automatic, enhancing efficiency further. Adopting mild hybrid technology does come with a price. In South Africa, the Fortuner 48 volts commands an additional 11,000 rand, approximately $900. This price hike surpasses the increase seen for the Hilux V-Active in Australia, reflecting the cost of this advanced technology. Globally, the Fortuner remains a strong contender, but in Australia, it faces stiff competition. Rivals like the Ford Everest and even Toyota's own Prado outpace it in sales. With no confirmation on the mild hybrid version's release, Australian fans are left to speculate whether they'll ever experience this more efficient, environmentally friendly Fortuner on their roads. For now, the wait continues as Toyota deliberates on bringing its latest innovation to the Australian market.